The feeling of jealousy slips quietly in our mind and begins to affect how we see the world around us. It often begins with a small comparison. Before you know it, envy becomes a silent wall. It distances you from the people who truly care about you. It turns appreciation into doubt and friends into imagined enemies. When jealousy guides your emotions, doors meant for you begin to close, not by fate, but by your own hesitation. Life becomes peaceful when you stop comparing. Their success is not your failure. Every person who crosses your path has a purpose. Some teach you, some support you, some help you grow. When you choose gratitude over envy, your heart becomes lighter, your mind clearer, your journey brighter. Walk forward with kindness because the path ahead shines brighter for those who choose peace over comparison.